3.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Now what is given? A traffic signal board indicating, this is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Given that signal board is an equilateral triangle. With side A. And we know that in an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal to one another. If it's one side is given, then each side will be equal to A. Now next part. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Initially, we will solve this question up to this part. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Now, here in this triangle, each side will be equal to A. Therefore, A equal to B equal to C equal to each side equal to A, because triangle is an equilateral triangle. Now, when three sides of a triangle are given, then we will use Heron's formula for finding the area of that triangle. Therefore, by using Heron's formula, area of triangle or area of signal board equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now, first of all, we have to find semi-perimeter. S means semi-perimeter. And we know the formula S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here each side is equal to A. Therefore, this expression will become A plus A plus A by 2 equal to 3A by 2. Now we have to put value of S, A, B, C under this square root. Now area of triangle equal to S minus A, S minus B, B is again equal to A, S minus C. Now we have to simplify this formation. 3A by 2 minus A. Take LCM as 2 and 3A minus 2A, then this expression will become A by 2. Now we have to write in place of 3A by 2 minus A, we have to write A by 2. A by 2. We know that 3A by 2 minus A equal to A by 2. Similarly, other terms will equal to a by 2. Now we have to make the pair of like terms. Area of triangle equal to under root 3a by 2. We can write 3a by 2 like this, 3 into a by 2. Next term is again a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. Now make pair of like terms. Now we have to bring out one term from each pair. A by 2, next term will come outside of square root, then it will equal to a by 2 and root 3 will left inside the square root. It will equal to under root 3 a into a square by 4. Therefore, area of an equilateral triangle or area of a signal board which is an equilateral triangle equal to under root 3 by 4 a square. Now this is the area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. So finding the area of an equilateral triangle, we can use root 3 by 4 a square. Now come to the second part of this question. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter. Now second part of this question is perimeter equal to 180 centimeter. Now what will be the area of signal board by using perimeter? Now perimeter of signal board of triangle or signal board equal to 180 centimeter. And we know the definition of perimeter. Sum of length of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter. It means a plus a plus a, it will equal to 3a. 3a equal to 180 centimeter. Then a will equal to 60 centimeter. Now put this value of a in our derived formula. Area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Now put value of a in 1. Now put value of a in our formula. Area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 a square. A square means 60 whole square. Root 3 by 4, 60 whole square, it will equal to 3600. Now 4 9s are 36 and give 900 root 3 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the signal board equal to 900 square root 3 centimeters square.